Hello everyone, I am Karthikechi studying in second year in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today my topic is Two-Way Anova. Introduction to Two-Way ANOVA. Two-Way ANOVA is a statistical test used to analyze the effect of two categorical independent variable on continuous dependent variable. It's help to determine whether there are significant interaction between independent variable and dependent variable. This types of ANOVA is useful for studying the stimulation of effect of two factors on response variable. Factors in two-way ANOVA. In two-way ANOVA, there are two factors or independent variable that are studied simultaneously. Each factor can have multiple level or categories that compare to see their impact on dependent variable. The interaction between two factors is also examined to understand if their combined effect is different from the sum of individual effects. Hypothesis in two-way ANOVA. The null hypothesis in two-way ANOVA states that there are no significant difference or interaction between factors and dependent variable. The alternative hypothesis suggests that the least one of the factors or their interaction has significant effect on dependent variable. These hypotheses are tested used in F-test to determine significance of the factors and their interactions. Assumption of two-way ANOVA. The assumption of two-way ANOVA is including normality of variance of independence observation. The normally distributed. Homeotic of various assumption that variance of residual in constant across all level factors. Calculating two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA including in the total sum of square into different source of variation, factors, interaction and error. The degrees of freedom for each source of variance are used to calculate mean square. The F ratio is then calculated by dividing the mean square of factors by mean square of error to test for significant. Interpreting to two-way ANOVA result. If a F ratio is significant, it indicates that at least one of the factor of each interaction has a significant effect on dependent variable. Post hoc tests such as Turkey's HSD or Bonafero correction can use it to identify which factor level are significant different from each other. Effect size measures such as square can help to qualify the magnitude of effect observed in analyze. Advantages of two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA allows for stimulus examination of effect two factors depend variable. It can identify interaction between the factors that may not capture by one-way ANOVA. The result provide insight into how different factor level contribute to the variance of independent variable. Limitation of two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA sensitive to violence of assumptions such as non-analytically or interrupting the significant interaction beyond complex that may require further investigation to understand the relationship between the factors. The large sample size are often needed to detect a small but significant effect in two-way ANOVA. Application of two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA is commonly used to experimental research to analyze the effect of two or more factors on response variable. It is applied to various fields such as physiological, biological, education, and social science to study complex relationships between variables. Research to use it to weigh ANOVA to make informed to decision based on interaction and main effect of factors under study. Conclusion. Two-way ANOVA is a powerful statistical tool for analyzing the effect of categorical independent variable on continuous dependent variable. By testing for main effect in interaction, research gain valuable insight into how different factors influence the outcome of interest. Understanding the principle of application of two-way ANOVA enhance the ability to conduct and statistical analysis in research. Thank you, one and all.